Okay, good morning students. Today in marketing management in MBA second semester, we are going to deal a very important topic, that is store atmosphere. Okay, this is a very important topic which is being related to the entire atmosphere of the store. So if we talk about the store atmosphere, then a store atmosphere is created by the design, color and layout of a store. The entire designing part, that how we are going to design the retail outlets. We are going to deal the what locations we are going to plot the different areas. If we are having a certain square feet of areas, a certain amount of area, then at what particular area the entrance would be there, at what particular area the exit would be there, where the windows are being planted, where the washrooms would be there, where the stairs would be there, where the floors are there, where we are going to plant the cameras, where we are going to deal with the cash counters, where we are going to keep the enquiry counter, where we are going to keep a certain movement area where the customers would move, where we are going to deal with the greenery parts, where we are going to deal with the parking lots or parking parts, where we are going to deal with the means go down part, where we are going to keep the lock room or means go the place where the customers would come and keep their baggages and freely they can move out for doing the sales activities. All these comes under the store atmosphere designing part, where we have to design the entire civil work of the retail outlets, so that in the near future, the planning should be such so that the retail outlet would not face any kind of problems related to the design part. Okay, and layouts, on the basis of the designing, the layouts are being done. At the time of layouts, the entire interior and exterior decors would be maintained, so that a kind of physical attraction would be generated in the customers. Okay, and the coloring part is also a very important part, where the colors would be chosen, because these colors are the one which will attract the customers. Colors are what? Colors are a very gift of the nature which the God has given us. We have to understand about the color, and the entire marketing personnel have identified the color as one of the important aspect, as one of the important attribute of marketing, where the physical evidence would depend upon the coloring only. Because if we talk about the colors, if we say, for example, if we talk about a people face, only, then if the face is of only one color, say skin color, then how does it looks? It doesn't looks good. At this only, the God has created a various kinds of colors. Eyebrows black, hair black. Okay, you can see eyes where we can find out the black eyes. People in the eyes are white. Okay, there is the skin colors, and the color of teeth is different, the color of tongue is different. Okay, so these are the coloring part which the God has given us as a gift, on the basis of which the attraction of a people are being generated. Okay, so in this color, so it is very much necessary for us to consider the color part, that we have to look upon the coloring also, that at what place what kind of color would be used. If there is a stair, then at the stairs what kind of colors are being used. At the cash counters, then at the cash counters what kind of colors are being used. At the parking lots, what kind of colors are being used. So this is what entire complexion of the colors which will make the organization attractive and eye catching. Okay, so it should be very much necessary to deal, and all these comes under the store atmosphere part. Okay, so a retailer works on both exterior and interior designs to create an appropriate store atmosphere. The store atmosphere should prompt target customers to visit the store and stimulate them to buy once they are in the store. External design includes, we talk about the external design. What are those? Those includes architectural design, signs, windows display, and use of colors that create identity for a retailer. Okay, and the image which is projected should be consonant with the ethos of the store. Okay, for instance, a kid's store is usually bright, vibrant, maybe in the shape of Mickey Mouse, and colorful to attract the child and make him want to buy things in the store. Such a store should generally have lots of space for the child to move around and explore his world. Okay, even the salespeople should match the child's temperament. They should be playful. Okay, now these are what the kinds of things which we have to keep in mind while designing. Now, interior designs like store lighting, fixtures, fittings, as well as layout affect store atmosphere. So we have to consider all these fixtures, fittings, colors, as well as the layouts parts. If a store has narrow aisles, it appears congested and unclean. The customer may not like to spend too much time in such an environment. A poorly lit store is uninviting. Color, sound, and smell affect mood of customers, and customers stay longer in stores which are colorful, plays good music, and smells good. People attribute different meanings of different colors, and a retailer uses colors to create the desired atmosphere in the store. Music can be used to create a relaxed atmosphere and make the customer linger on the stores. Okay, so these are what we talk about the entire store atmosphere. Then it is a very important aspect, and the store atmosphere should be considered while looking upon both the interior as well as the exterior. Okay, in the exterior we have to consider various facilities which we are going to provide to the customers related to what? Related to their parking facilities, related to their entrance and exit facilities, related to keeping their bag and baggages facilities, as well as various other facilities which a customer seeks outside the organization. Okay, and they customer if they and they should also come to know while looking the exterior display boards, sign boards, glow boards, various kinds of attractive boards which is being used by the retail outlets, which can facilitate, which can make easy for the customers to get the information related to the products and services which is being sold out by that particular organization. So it should be very much necessary for the organization to provide a sound display on the basis of the boards, different kinds of boards, which can be informative for the customers to know that what kind of product satisfaction or needs would be fulfilled at that particular retail outlets. That is what the exterior parts, and each and every thing should be considered minutely, so that which will make way for the customer to get inside the retail outlet. And if the customer gets inside the retail outlet, then at that juncture, what are the different facilities which we have to provide to the customers? We have to think on that, on the interior parts of the organization, which includes the various types of fixtures, furnitures, fittings, lightings, sounds, musics, amenities, movements, spaces where the customers can easily move and decide. The customers can feel, the customer can smell good, the customer can sound good, soothing. Okay, at various places they can just find out, as well as we have to provide amenities also, basic amenities to the customers, like washrooms, like safe drinking water facilities to the customers. Okay, as well as a place where the customers can get their foodings also. So all these would be generated so that the customers can feel what? The customers can feel comfort, the customers can feel satisfied while looking upon the entire interiors. Sound lightings would be done so that the customers can easily find out the product, so that the customers can look the products properly. The flush lights, good lights would be provided inside the stores, as well as the cash counters. At the cash counter, automated systems would be there. If not automated, then if you are going to deal manually, then in the manually parts also the things would be done so carefully and in such informative manner that the customers can feel very much easy. Okay, so all these are what related to the interior decor parts, which we have to maintain, which we have to show to the customers, so that the customers will get attracted. So these are all related to the store atmosphere, and a retailer should have to consider a lot on the store atmosphere part, so that they can attract the customers, so that they can make the customers to feel, to spend or linger more time on their stores. And when they give more time to their stores, invest more time to the stores, then they purchase the things. They can make their decision power, buying power to purchase the things. Okay, students, so today we have dealt about the store atmosphere. Okay, thank you to all of you.